Hey guys, what's up? And today today I'm going to be showing you my newest puppet. It's a oh my god. It's a it's a pirate puppet, and I'm going to be using this a lot in my videos because I have many video options with this. And I don't get puppets that often. So I like making reviews or like stuff like showing you guys that I get new ones. So here is the pirate puppet. Put my hand right so down here in his buttocks. That feels good to him. And this is my first puppet where I put my fingers up his buttocks, and that's kind of nasty. And he does have these rubber boots. He has pants. Yep. So there he is. That is my latest pirate puppet. So hope you enjoyed watching. I just want to show you guys that I got a new puppet that I'm going to be using it a lot. So boom and goodbye.